Hello, it's Harry here from The Pet Carpenter, and we've got a stunning dresser style piece of furniture to show you here today, being modelled by our Labradoodle Finn. This particular piece of furniture has been designed for spaniels. It's a little bit cosy for him, but as you can see, he loves cozying up in there, particularly while we're in the open workshop space. As we show off our up and over door, tucked away neatly at the top here, creating that lovely little space for the dog to come and go as they please, as well as having that little bit of security. As we move on to some of the storage aspects of this particular piece, we do have this lovely double cupboard to the left hand side of the bedroom. We've got the solid oak shelf in there, matching the furniture and worktop wonderfully too. Going to our storage at the top of the furniture with our drawers above the dog bedroom, lovely smooth sliding runners on those, creating that lovely storage space for all your bits and bobs that you want to hide away. And then we go on to our solid oak worktop, finished in honey oak wax by Osmo. This particular one is bringing that grain together really nicely. And then as we go on to our storage above, so we've got this lovely dresser style piece at the top here, with our handmade glass doors, which is a lovely detail, so you can see that storage space and shelving behind the glass there. The colour of the furniture is Ammonite by Farrow and Ball, and then we've matched in the black bar handles across the furniture that you can see as well. And that completes the tour of this bedroom. Thank you very much for watching.